Hello, welcome to another vlog, and it's Friday. Yes, but I have to work half day as Jaden was home. He have cold and cough. He's getting better, but he was not fully recovered, so he's going back on Monday. And Lina is working. Imsha is in school in 1 hour to get Imsha, and it is snowing again. And Didi is happy. Come. All right. We have to take Didi for a walk so she can do her toilet and stuff because she just had lunch. So we're just gonna go for a short walk in her street and then come back. All right, keep going. You can't stop for a walk. Go, Didi. Didn't call Didi. Right, so it's continues snowing again, and then started just in the morning after I came back from work. Yes, it doesn't matter if it's perfect day or rainy day, we have to take our dog for a walk. But it's good we live outside city, so it's no traffic, nothing. We can just go on our own street and then take them for a walk.
Never gonna move. No, I never want to move.
What is it?
I never want to move.
Okay, yeah, but you're always talking about moving to Australia. You and Imsha?
Yeah, we're planning to.
Yes.
We don't know if we are.
Alright, so please comment us if you guys want to live like us.
And
Like in this kind of
subscribe.
atmosphere.
And you guys have to subscribe.
Yes, of course. I had a 2,000 subscribers, but I'm still not monetized. Please watch the full vlog, the whole video, and I need more watch time. Please watch all the videos and share it. Thank you so much. Right, so we are in the middle of, it was a deep forest here, but they cut a lot of trees here. Now it looks empty. Go, Didi.
I should look
And then, yeah, and it's fresh snow, so can't see the trail also. No, we go this way. Then go up. Go up there and call Didi. Yeah, this way. Didi knows. Yeah. All right, so
I never seen this white snow.
what do you think, Jaden? Snow is always white.
Yeah.
All right, we have that neighbor have almost 7 or 8 dogs, and then they start barking as soon as they go, Didi.
Long time of go.
Go at the front so Didi will come. So Jaden, how do you feel about this weather?
I don't like this one.
You don't like it? 5 minutes ago you liked the weather.
Never run anymore. No, I just hate this weather.
Look
My
how
sister and she loves this weather.
how quiet is that, Jaden? Look.
Yes.
Has our neighbors.
I never seen this weather.
Okay, we almost home now. So these all the trees, they cut from that forest.
He's scared.
I think they're buying these trees, this company. Okay, keep going. And by the way,
The vlogger he's filming like right now, he just
okay, keep talking. You're not letting me talk, okay?
he's just honest don't know why they're cutting trees.
Okay. Because people, if they own their land, they can sell their trees to someone
And
if they want to. Yeah. Alright, so now this is our mailbox. And this is our rubbish bins. Let's see if it's any mail.
It's
Yeah, junk mail.
yeah, jump. Oh, we got something.
Take it. Some advertising, yeah.
Okay, I can't take it too hard.
Alright, just leave it. That's not necessary.
Wait. I think I have to get it. I got got it.
Hey, Titi.
Got it.
Good boy. All right, we almost home now. As you can see.
Oh, look. Look at this.
Yes, they want us to buy stuff. Advertising. All the Christmas shopping. Okay, so it's starting to getting. It was a lot of snow already we have in our area.
Yeah.
Like if you go to the city, Natalia city, it was mostly all the snow
they
melted
want
away.
us to
But
buy
here was
gold.
a lot of snow. And now we get more
they
snow. So
want-
hopefully this year will be a white Christmas again like last year. Good morning. Saturday morning. And it's 8 o'clock. And me, Jaden and Didi is awake. First thing first, I have to take Didi out. So I just had a cup of coffee and then we are out. Didi! She ate and she did her morning, routine. Now she's fresh and happy. But now it started a little bit snowing as well. It's probably snowing all night. So this is our winter wonderland. All my friends, please, all are invited to sit on these seats. Hey Didi! Come, Didi, come! Good girl. Okay, so it's I think -5. It's not that cold. So, but Didi, should we go inside and wake up other people? Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I'm on the way to the gym now, as I missed the gym yesterday because I have to come back half day yesterday. So I'm on the way to Friskis and Svettis, Norrtälje. It's a really big gym. And then I will show you guys maybe a little bit of how a gym looks like in Sweden. So this is my gym in Norrtälje, but I couldn't record. It's a lot of people there today. Next time when I come in the afternoon, there's not many people, and I will show you guys from inside. I think it's not allowed to have a video inside. All right. Hi. What are you doing? Saturday I was bored, so I was cooking Indian food. And again I'm cooking today, not chicken, not something, not vegetarian. Today we're eating fish. So I'm making Goan fish curry. So which is a dish from Goa. So this is the fish I already prepared. I'm making the curry. I have to fry some potatoes. Going inside the curry as well. So
Didi, you wanna be in the video? Yeah, my little baby. Hey, hey.
Alright, so today is Goan fish curry. Yes, and for the fish I use salmon, and then it's boiled eggs. Green chilies are optional. We use a lot of coconut milk in it and coconut cream. And again, we have salad. And then boiled rice with it. Yes, so soon I'm gonna start uploading the full recipes of all the dishes I make. I don't know if you guys want to know how to make it easy way, then you can just, because this one takes probably 20 minutes to make that, so it's not that hard. So I will upload soon the full videos of all the recipes. It's like only home cooking, which I learned by myself. Welcome to the Saturday dinner, my family. Sorry, on Friday.
The Friday is Saturday.
And what's the menu for today?
And then some
What is that, Nisha? Do you know?
potato.
And what is this?
It's salmon.
Salmon.
So it's Goan fish curry.
Okay.
It's a dish of South India.
And me and we get
Obviously, we're eating boring chicken nugget and rice. We will.
Yay, guys!
All right, now he's in the vlog. Have you heard that sound? That was him. All right, but we're gonna enjoy. Okay, Lina, how does it taste like?
Very nice.
Is it different than the normal curries? It's totally different ingredients.
I'm not very chicken.
Yes.
Your fart is gonna be in the vlog now.
And yes. Why you have to fart?
I always fart.
Imsha, how's your boring food? Nice, good. Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
We are going for a walk with Didi. And here she is.
Didi, come. Come, Didi. Good girl. Me, Imsha, Jaden.
Wait, Didi, stop.
Good girl. We are walking and it's 12. Sun is already going down. Welcome to Swedish winter. We are in our backyard. Going for a walk.
Didi's gonna fall in the water.
Yes. We
And
will try to get to the frozen lake.
yeah, and the water.
I think it will be probably frozen as all the lakes are already frozen. We're gonna try and kids want to walk on the frozen lake. If
Yeah,
it's
but I'm
possible, I will check
scared.
it first.
I'm scared for ice.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. It will be good. It will be good.
So it's beautiful weather.
Day to go for a walk.
And we're going for a walk. Didi, go po. I'm telling her Didi to keep walking, which is in Finnish you call go po.
She's stuck.
Okay, her feet is stuck. But look at the beauty here. Behind there, that's the frozen lake. And that's someone's house. Someone living there. I don't know, it's summer house.
I'm very scared.
Why?
Because I think that I'm gonna fall in and then be stuck.
No, we're not gonna be going in there. Alright, so we are outside our backyard lake. There's a view. But we don't know is it safe to go up there. Because normally if it's people always write on our group that now it's good to go to the frozen lake for ice skating. So I think it's frozen, but we don't want to take chances. Yeah, Jaden?
Yeah, because I'm scared.
Yeah, Jaden's scared. All right. We keep going towards our walk.
Yeah, and I didn't.
Go, Po. Go, Didi. Imsha, call her. All right, so Lina has already started preparing lunch for kids. And it's a Christmas baking day today. What are you baking?
The saffron buns.
Okay, so she's making saffron buns, and which is called lussebulle in Swedish. And we're gonna build a pepperkaka house like this. So kids gonna have a baking.
I have to show you something. In Koch, look what I found.
Oh, Jaden found my video on YouTube. And Jaden's
It's cocked, look.
Jaden's face is red.
Yeah, I'm so cool.
Hmm. Okay, so the dough is
45 to 60 minutes.
prepared and that need to rest for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So now it's gonna go for rest.
Maybe I put 50 minutes.
Yeah. And then we come back in 45 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, so this is the dough came all the way up. And kids are ready. Imsha, so how are you gonna decorate the house?
I don't know.
No, how do you do it? What do you put it on it?
Icing, candy.
They're gonna set up all these candies on that house, but Mama will help you.
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat some.
Of course, you will eat. Didi, are you going to help us as well?
No.
No, you're tired of the walk.
Yeah.
Didi, sit. Sit.
See?
Please do it for the camera. Sit. Good girl. All right, so we are back now. Now, Jaden, that's the thing in the box. So we're gonna make a pepper cockahus,
First I have to take
and then they're gonna decorate it.
Yeah, first I have to take it out.
And look at that, how big the dough came. Oh my God. Okay, so now we're having a. Kids already break it before we made.
I didn't.
So doesn't matter. Imsha, you both are kids. And now Lena have to finish this house, which is not easy. As
I
going
don't even know why I'm doing this.
exactly. Kids supposed to do that.
But now it's not gonna. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Great job, Lena. This is saffron bun done by the perfect baker in the whole Gulunga, Lena Salvin. Okay, we still have to dress up more. So the next batch is going in. And it goes for